What's going on, guys? Sirluis here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys here how to buy HBAR, Hedera Hashgraph, alright, anywhere that you guys are at. It could be in the United States or anywhere. I have a series called How to Buy Any Crypto, basically, and these cryptos are usually pretty hard to buy because they're not on every exchange out there. And the key is to buy when they're very hard to get, right? That's the key, because once they get to Coinbase and all those exchanges, they usually explode. So I'm going to show you guys here how to get HBAR, which is pretty hard to get. So let me show you guys here how to get HBAR. And like I said, you don't have to buy it and keep it on this app or exchange. You could transfer it to another app or a cold storage or whatever. So the app that I like to use, the exchange that I like to use is Gayio. It's right here. If you guys don't have a Gayio account yet, you can use my referral code and get fees once you guys buy altcoins in this app. Now, I love Gayio because there's so many altcoins here that even Kucoin doesn't have, right? HBAR, Audius, I think there's a couple other ones too. And like I said, guys, you don't have to keep it on here. Treat this as like a store, right? You buy your groceries at a store and you bring it home. You could transfer it right out. So the first step to buying HBAR on here is transferring money on here. And that could be a little tricky, but I made a video called how to transfer money to Gayio. And to save you guys time, I'm going to put it here in the cards. But basically in the video, I just basically buy crypto from another exchange like Coinbase Pro or Gemini. And then I transfer that crypto, usually XLM, to Gayio. And then I sell the XLM for USDT Tether on Gayio. And then with USDT, I could basically buy any crypto here, including HBAR. If you want to see more in detail on how to do that, you can look at my video and then come back onto this video. But after you do all that, you have Tether on here. You're going to go right here in the markets on the search. And then here you're going to search HBAR. And make sure you click HBAR USDT spot Hedera Tether /Tether. Click on it, then click trade. And then boom, you should be right here in the spot trading, which is actually pretty similar to Kucoin. So right here, it's kind of overwhelming, but it's actually very simple. I'm going to show you guys here how to buy. So here at the top, that's the price that it's at currently. You can basically put any price that you want in the limit order, or you could just click on it, the current price, click on it, and it should be the current price if you guys want to buy instantly. Then here, this is the amount of crypto that you want to buy of. What I recommend to do is just, let's say I just want to buy 20 bucks worth of HBAR. You just go right here where it says USDT and you click the volume. So 20 bucks, it's going to give me 78 HBAR at this current price. And then all you do is you click buy. So let me do it right here. Let's say I just want to buy, 30 bucks worth of HBAR at this current price. Let me refresh the current price. Click buy, confirm, order placed. It should be here at the bottom. Let's see. It might take a few seconds here before it gets through because, like I said, again, the price is always constantly changing. If it's taking too long, you can just go right here and click cancel all, and then you can set it up again. And then once you guys see that it disappeared, it means that it went through. So now to see where it's at, all you gotta do is right here at the bottom right, click on wallet, and then right here on wallet, you click on spot account, and it should be right here. As you guys can see right here, I bought $30 worth of HBAR, as you guys can see right here. And to basically withdraw it to another place that you guys wanna keep it in, all you gotta do is click withdraw, and it should give you the address and all that information on how to withdraw it to another app or cold storage or anything like that. And that's basically how you buy HBAR at the current moment, guys. This is definitely a great app to buy things. Again, you don't have to keep it on here. If you don't trust it, you could send it to another app out there or cold storage. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like. If you guys still haven't joined Gayio, use my referral code so you guys can save on fees when you buy HBAR and other cryptos. And yeah, check out my free public Facebook crypto group and on Reddit as well, and check out my Patreon. So thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.